Hey guys, welcome back to our channel and happy Valentine's Day to you guys, to you lovers out there. And if you don't have no Valentine's this year, next year, yeah. So I did this look for you guys and I hope you guys enjoy it. It's not your typical Valentine's Day look, you know, but it will do. So give this video a big thumbs up and comment. Let me know what you guys would like to see. And remember to subscribe.
But I ain't see myself another girl. You were beautiful, you were beautiful. If I told you you were beautiful, but I ain't see myself another girl. You were beautiful, you were beautiful. If I told you.
Niggas pocket watching, so I gotta keep the rocket. Mama told me not to sell word. Mama 17.5, same color t-shirt. White. Mama told me not to sell word. Mama 17.5, same color t-shirt.
Myself another girl. You were beautiful.
Go on.